It is understandable that users want to remove Gmail account from Android phone, since the uninterrupted emails from unknown sender would make us whiny, especially when the phone storage space of your device is not so sufficient. What will happen after removing Gmail account from Android? Gmail app can't send or receive emails, can't access Google services, Play Store, Maps, Music, etc. Data loss, emails, photos, contacts, content access loss, Play, YouTube, Chrome bookmarks gone. No Android backup via Google. A safe way to delete Gmail account on Android. Step 1. Launch the Settings application on the home screen and then select Accounts in this section. Step 2. Now, you will see several accounts are listed on the screen. You can tap on Google here and choose your account. Step 3. Tap the top right icon. A window appears with two options. Choose Remove Account. Step 4. Confirm by tapping Remove Account icon in the pop-up. Gmail account deleted, files removed. What would stop you from removing the account? Case 1. Cannot see the menu icon in Step 3. Case 2. Fail to remove the primary Gmail account from your phone. Case 3. Receive a message saying, "Fortunately settings has stopped."